What's up, Shifu Warrior? It's been a minute since the last video that we have. I received a lot of feedback, great feedback from you guys about the product research video. And today, as promised, I would love to bring you guys a combination of product research of how I find a $200,000 per month product and how I analyze it so that perhaps you can learn the way that I think so that you can apply it to your upcoming entrepreneur journey with Amazon. If you're new here, my name is Justin. I've been selling on Amazon for the past 5 years, and I do quite enough for myself to where I retire my mom and also retire myself early in my mid-20s. And right now, our mission is to help new entrepreneur and also existing entrepreneur who are struggling, who fell behind because of the guru out there that giving you wrong information and wrong guidance. We're here to help you. And make sure that you check the link in the video description if you have any question and if you want more further resources. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and comment down below if you have any question, okay? So let's keep this intro short and let's jump right into the video. Let's get it. I will go to TikTok and kind of go through any type of product that I can analyze. So on TikTok, usually I will find which one that catch my attention first. And this one, it looked like it. So let me go through this one.
This thing allows you to wake up naturally.
And analyzing this one. So they have a lot of people who are searching for it on TikTok, meaning there are demand for that product. Let's go on Amazon. Automatic curtain opener and then switch bot. And then we're gonna do all department, and let's see if we can analyze this product. So you're gonna run this. So this one is the SwitchBot automatic curtain opener. So they are making about 200,000. They only have 644 reviews, but they already doing a lot of money. And why is that? It is because they are using influencer to create the demand for that product on social media, consumer behavior. The first thing that they do is they're going to look it up on Amazon first before they're buying anywhere else. Why? It is because Amazon giving them the return free, so like risk free for people. So it could be a good opportunity for me to go in, let's say with 200 units to test out the product to see if it works. Because with 200 units, you can easily recoup your initial investment back. It's selling for $89. Your cost from China is going to be really rock bottom, around $20 to $30. So you can sell it really cheap and you can easily recoup your initial investment. So it's end up to pose like a little to no risk for you. So your risk management is a little bit lower. So this product, it does have some potential for me, and let me dig further into it. So I'll go search for the main keyword to see if anyone else besides SwitchBot selling similar product. So I can feel confident to go in and test this product. All right, so let's run Helium 10. The main keyword now is automatic curtain opener. Bot is the first guy, but then we have other guy in here. So let's rank revenue highest to lowest. This one is another curtain opener. This one is too high in pricing. So what SwitchBot does is that they undercut the market. So right now this guy, it looked like he selling it for about 200. So SwitchBot come in and they, hey, buy from me. We provide a cheaper price. That could be a strategy when it's come to launching your business. Okay, so let's see anyone else that's selling a high price. Let's see, CurtBot is $129. So CurtBot does go in and fill in the market with a cheaper price. So if I were to go in and compete, I want my product to be selling at the same price as $89.99 or maybe about $91. Why I don't want to go lower than that? It is because that is the current pricing where people associate it with quality. Let's say we're selling it at $59.99. People may think that it is something not good quality. So we want to keep our price around that range, maybe perhaps around 85 to 91. If I were to go into this market, I'm going to do number one is a similar model or better model. Number two, I'm going to add on so many value that make the customer want to buy my product more just for that extra values. So now let's go back to study this guy and the market a little bit more. So besides SwitchBot, we have Goya,
$34,000. Screen protector, this one it doesn't. So this one is not related. The price too low. This one is just the add-on product. We have EC Smart. This one have 14 reviews and they have 4.1 star. This one have 4.1 star. So there's perhaps could be a little bit of quality issue, because how do you know whether or not the product is fully developed? It's just through other people selling the product. Let's say if you see a bunch of them, let's say 7 out of 10 new seller, they have like low rating star. It's a sign that that product is not fully developed, and then the manufacturer, they still in the process of developing it. So if you were to enter, making sure that you would read those negative reviews and asking the manufacturers, is there any newer model that has fixed that problem? Number 2, based on what I just shared right here, it's pop up a good idea for me in my mind is that a lot of people have more than just one curtain in their house. So this kind of bring me some idea of the bundling. I can sell 2 for a cheaper pricing for people. That is another option that I can have in my mind as well. Also, the top seller have less than 1,000 reviews. So meanings we have a shot at it. Why? They only have 644 reviews instead of 10,000 reviews. Because the distance between 0 to 600 could be in a matter of a year or 2 years. But if let's say 10,000 reviews, that could be a matter of 5 to 6 years to really catch up with that person. So this one, in my opinion, it is considered as a potential product if you want to go after this market. With this product, it is a high ticket product. So a play around budget for this journey, about 20,000 is a good reserve. You don't have to need to have that right away, but you need to have access to that cash through your credit card. So the product costs usually about 1/3 of the price. If they are selling this product for about $90, then the cost of the price could be around $20 to $30. So if I order about 200 units, that could be $6,000. But then I also have to prepare access to cash. Let's say another 10,000 if I need to reorder the product. And then I would need to dedicate around $2,000 influencer marketing. Why? It is because this SwitchBot, they doing it, so I have to do it as well. To kind of, let's say if people are searching for an automatic curtain opener, then my video will pop up. So it's like a way for me to influence the customer that, hey, my product is also as good as SwitchBot. I would also dedicate about 1,000 to 2,000 on PPC in case if we want to bring more customer in. Disclaimer is that I do not recommend you to go after this product if you do not do your due diligence, and you have to really assessing yourself. If you don't have access to funding and you're new to entrepreneurship, your risk tolerance is low, then I would not recommend to go with a high ticket product where it's require higher capital.
Alright, Shifu Warrior, I hope you find everything that I share helpful. I know it's a lot of information, and I know right now your brain, it just feel like, oh, I cannot handle it. But hey, everything is just a start, you know? Not too long ago, I was in your shoe. I know exactly how it feels. And just let me tell you one thing is that sooner or later, you would get used to it. Just like when you first driving your car, it's anxious. You don't know whether or not you can make it, but you know the destination. And that's why you persistent to nail down that driving process, and same with this journey. If you're being persistent to it for the next 6 months to 1 year, if you put every effort and time into this, I know for sure that everything that you can dream of will be possible. But the first step is to take the action. The fact that you're here today has showcased that you have taken the action that so many people didn't. Okay? You are that 1% that take action. So I'm really proud of you. And remember that make sure that you take as much note as possible from today's video, and comment down below if you have any question for me so that I can find some time to help answer your question. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and also share with people, those that you know gonna find this video helpful. Again, our mission is to help new entrepreneur and also existing entrepreneur who are struggling, who fell behind because of the guru out there that giving you wrong guidance, we're here to help you. And make sure that you check the link in the video description if you want more further resources. Remember, if an immigrant like myself can do it, you can do the same thing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.